Hey, good morning everybody. So today is Vlogmas day 4 and I'm just now getting started for it, so just getting my day just started and everything. And right now I am fixing my breakfast, so I just had to fix me some oatmeal and some eggs to go with it. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, and just put the waffle. Yeah, I'm sorry. So basically that is what I did. So, and I'm just ready to just get this day started. Some breakfast and some water, and then after that, I am going to be cleaning up my kitchen. So I will show you me doing that. I really don't feel like doing that because I really just Hey guys, so I am walking right now and I went to the bank, so I got that done, so that's successful, so happy for that. And now I'm tired, so I'm about to head back home. I went and grabbed some stuff real quick that I had to get done for my boutique, so I got that. And I know I was supposed to vlog all this, so I didn't really vlog it. Sorry. So yeah, so sorry about that, guys. But like I said, now I am walking back home, and I'm gonna fix something to eat because I'm starving from walking so much. So now I'm gonna eat, and then after that, clean the kitchen up, and then get ready to go and watch the Christmas parade around 6. But I won't be leaving, like I said earlier, 5:20. Around, like I said, I'm gonna leave around the house, try to around like 5:20. So I'm gonna catch you guys later in a little bit. And this is what I'm wearing today. Cute little shoes and a little festive, you know. So I'm gonna go and catch you guys in a little bit. So guys, I made it back home safely and sound, and now I'm gonna take all this off, cuteness off, and I'm gonna go and put on something comfortable. Then I might fix something to eat. And to do that, then I am going to get started on cleaning the kitchen because I was gonna do that earlier, but it didn't happen because I forgot I had to go to run to the bank before the ATM, like not ATM, but like the part of the bank closes and close at 2, so I have to get that done before then. So that's basically what I did, and now I'm home and get stuff started, situations, so that way I can get everything done before I have to leave before 5:20 of me getting ready for me to see the Christmas parade at 6 o'clock. So I'm excited, can't wait. So take along with me when I get all that stuff done and getting ready to go see the Christmas parade. Catch you guys later. So guys, I'm about to go to the parade, walking there now as you can see. So I'm gonna turn you around so you can see. I'm on my cell phone.
Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
this is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Vlogmas.